Hi, I'm Dom. Welcome to my YouTube channel for my very first YouTube video. I'm an SEO copywriter and I'm the owner of Social Swell, which is a copywriting business right here on the gorgeous Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. If you have never heard of an SEO copywriter, or a copywriter for that matter, don't worry, because we're going to get into all of that and more. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Dom. I'm actually not from Australia, even though I live in one of the most beautiful parts of the country. I'm originally over from the UK in England. So I've been here for 13 years. I'm now married, have 2 beautiful kids, and we are loving our life here beachside while I run my amazing SEO copywriting business right here from home in my home office. So what is a copywriter? And, contrary to popular belief, it has nothing to do with copyright. It is everything to do with the content and the words that you use in your business. So copywriting is basically helping you create words that resonate, reach, engage with your dream clients. And they do it in a way that help you sell more, do more, and really thrive online. What is SEO? So SEO is just to do with getting found online. If you've ever wondered how it is that you get onto that magical page 1 of Google, SEO is one of the key factors in how you get there. It's basically the way that you create the words and some of the business strategies that you use online that help Google's algorithm find you, find your business, and connect you with your dream clients online. So what do you get when you combine SEO and copywriting? Well, it's simple. You get words and content that are structured and created in a way that helps you get found on Google. It's when those 2 key things and key parts of your business marketing come together to create amazing content that will not only be interesting for your audience, but that will actually show up in the search results. So why am I the person that's here talking to you about SEO and copywriting? Well, the truth is that when I started my business, I started it as a copywriting business and I had no idea about SEO. So I did what everyone does. I Googled, how do you get found on Google? And what came up was a series of results that showed SEO services that were going to cost thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. So instead, I educated myself, I trained, I read, and I learned all of the techniques required to incorporate SEO into your copy so that you can create content that really makes a difference for your business. I really want you guys to get to know me, and not just what I do and what I offer and how I help businesses, but I want to bring you right behind the scenes so you can see what I'm getting up to each and every day. So come behind the scenes with me, join me as I take lunches out at the beach, as I play with my kids, and as I run a business from home. There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. Lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone. 'Cause with you. Thank you so much for watching my first YouTube video. If you liked this video, if you loved it, hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you liked, what you didn't like, and join my online community and ask me if you've got any questions so that I can create videos and content that are going to help you in your business and that you're going to love watching. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin.